Hi friend, and welcome to my channel. Let's draw the cute Rubble from Paw Patrol together. Are you ready? Let's start! Draw a noble and 2 curved lines for the nose. Draw the outline of the eye with a curved line and a semicircle. Draw a curved line above the outline and 2 circles inside it. Then draw the eyebrow with 2 curved lines. Draw the other eye just the same way. Follow me while I'm doing it. Draw a curved line for the mouth. 2 small upside down V-shaped lines for the teeth. And 3 dots near the nose. Draw the head with a curved line, a quarter circle, a long curved line, a vertical line, and another curved line. A curved line for the brim, a diagonal line, a curved line, another curved line, and a diagonal one. A curved line, and another diagonal one. Then draw the shield with the dog's paw print on the head, like I do. Wow! Our design is starting to take shape. Draw the outline of the face with a diagonal line, a curved line, a semicircle for the chin, a wavy line, and a diagonal line. Draw the ear with a curved line, a letter U-shaped line, a curved line, and a diagonal one. Draw a curved line for the second ear. Draw a diagonal line and a curve near each eye. Now draw the collar with a curved line and a vertical line. Then draw 2 diagonal lines inside it. Draw the dog tag shield and the wrench with the bolt like I do. Draw the outline of the vest with a semicircle and a horizontal line for the front. A curved line for the back, and another curved line. Then draw the first front paw with a curved line, a diagonal line, a horizontal line, 3 curved lines for the toes, horizontal line, a diagonal line, a wavy line on the inside of the paw. Draw the second front paw with one curved line, one horizontal line, one curved line, and two diagonal lines. Draw two curved lines for the toes, then a wavy line on the inside of the paw. Draw two curved lines in the center of the vest. Draw the tool backpack with a diagonal line, a horizontal line, a diagonal line, and another diagonal one. Then draw a diagonal line through it. Draw an inverted V-shaped line and a curved line for the backpack belt. Draw the hind leg with a curved line, a horizontal line, a curved line, and a curved line. Then draw two curved lines for the toes and a curved line on the inside of the paw. Draw a small curved line for the other paw. Draw a curved line for the tail. Draw a curved line and a diagonal above the backpack. Then draw a small buckle and a tool handle like I do. Wow! Our drawing turned out great! Now let's take the colors. Use black for the eyebrows, pupils, and color. Use orange for the areas of the eye and the inside of the ear. Color the face and legs with brown. Use a darker brown for the backpack. Use beige for the muzzle and paws. Use gray for the tool on the backpack, the Rubble symbol, the edge of the shield on the hat, and the footprint. darker gray for the inside of the shield on the hat, the edge of the dog tag, and the edge of the vest. Color the top of the backpack, the hat, the vest and the inside of the medal with yellow. Excellent! Our friend Rubble turned out great and is ready to play with you! Good job! Goodbye friends, see you soon!